Hey guys, I have some exciting news for you. As you can tell from the title of this video, the Brilliant home controller now works with HomeKit. Yes! It's been over a year. It's probably been a year and a half. I've been waiting for this feature and it's finally here, but might not be everything that you think it is. Let me explain why. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Eric, and if you're into smart home, home automation, and especially HomeKit, you're definitely in the right place. So for full disclosure, Brilliant did send these out to me for a full honest review a couple years ago, or a year and a half ago, but in all honesty, if something is wrong, I'm definitely going to let you know. I'm also going to leave a affiliate link down below where you can pick this up, and a list to my full pros and cons list on my website. So if you want to get more information or update on this, definitely check out that link down below. So recently, Brilliant released an update for all their current customers that includes this HomeKit integration. Now, this is a public beta integration, which means that there could be issues, but they're trying it out in big scale to see what would happen, and they want you to report back any issues. Now, the big thing with this is not that it's in beta, rather it's about the integration and how it controls and what you can control with this HomeKit integration. Now, unfortunately, the big thing is that it is not going to show any HomeKit enabled accessory on screen. It does not go that way. Rather, it goes the opposite way, is any hardwired Brilliant control that's hardwired like this is in my dining room, I can now go into HomeKit and control that light. If you have a double gang switch or a triple or a 4-gang switch, all 4 of those will be exposed to HomeKit, but it does not work in reverse. So nothing's going to be on screen, and you cannot control your HomeKit home from the Brilliant screen, unfortunately. Now, this is still exciting to me because these devices I love so much are now exposed to my HomeKit. Now, of course, having HomeKit on this screen would be the holy grail of having a smart home, but unfortunately I never see Apple allowing a third-party company to integrate HomeKit into a screen like this. Who knows? Maybe. I just don't see it. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. A nice thing though is that Brilliant works with a lot of major third-party manufacturers that do allow you to control their devices from the screen. Some of those devices include Philips Hue, Wemo, TP-Link, LifeX, Lutron Caseta, Leverton, Nest thermostats, Ecobee, Honeywell, Ring, August, Sonos, and of course it works with Lady A, Google Home, and SmartThings. By the way, it also has Lady A built right into it, so you can talk to Lady A. It's a third-party Alexa. It's not as good as having an Echo Dot, but it's really nice to have it in a room where you don't have to have an Echo Dot sitting out on the table. To set this up is super easy. All you need to do is go into your settings and click on Works with Brilliant. In there you will see the Apple HomeKit beta. Click on that. It will give you the QR code. Go into your home app on your iPhone. Go ahead, scan that QR code, and it will do what it needs to do. You can assign it to a room, and that is it. You're done, and it's all in there. If you have a multiple gang switch, all your devices will be added as one. You can simply go into the tile, separate them all out as individual tiles, and now you can add them to different rooms if you want to. It is simply that easy. By the way, I met up with Brilliant at CES 2020 just a couple months ago, and they showed off their brand new dimmer switch and smart plug. Unfortunately, these new devices will not be exposed to HomeKit. Hopefully in near future they will, but currently they will not. But guys, I'm still super excited about this HomeKit integration with one of my favorite smart home devices, the Brilliant home controller. If you guys want to see the full review that I did last year, click this card right there, and I hope you consider subscribing for more smart home automation and HomeKit devices right here on Modern Day Tech. See you next time. Thanks for watching.
No, nothing can break me.